Here for Echo 4 for Studios, in today's Godaddy hosting tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your PHP version that you're running your website on. So let's say you're running WordPress or something else, some sort of older version or program or application you're running that you need to use a feature that's no longer available in the current versions of PHP. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use their programming languages thing here. For this, for Linux servers, obviously you can only change your PHP. I don't know about Microsoft servers or things that run Microsoft's software, as I don't have a hosting account with that set up. So obviously for this you want to log in, scroll down to settings, and then click on programming languages. This will load up this here, and you have you can activate, deactivate, and you have two choices of your PHP language or version language, I suppose. The PHP version, the default one, is 5.3, which is the one they recommend because it meets their sort of standards on security and stability, as in it doesn't crash or things like that. But sometimes you may need to use an older version because for some reason the program you're building or running needs a feature that's not in a newer version of PHP, although it's not recommended because normally the reason the feature is removed, it's either a security flaw or it's just being replaced with something else that works better. So we do have they do give you a little bit of help on this one. PHP 5.2 is no longer in active support. PHP 5.2 5.3 is recommended unless you rely on features specific to 5.2, so they don't recommend it. The other point is it is no longer being developed, as developers of PHP, you develop back a couple of languages, but a couple of versions, but eventually they drop support because they recently just released PHP version, I think it was 5.50, which is the latest release, although there are obviously support for other releases, but 2 is no longer in active support. 5.2 is no longer in active support. So what you have to do is you just change the version by that and click continue, which obviously I'm not going to change it, but then you have to do this sort of noting period, which should take somewhere between 20 minutes to 45 minutes to update. I wouldn't recommend doing this if you're running, let's say, WordPress or something already on your site, because you could break it, because WordPress is dropping support. Most content management systems are dropping support for older versions of older versions of PHP. So if you don't know what you're doing, basically don't change it. So guys, that's how to change a PHP version on Godaddy hosting servers. Remember to check out the previous tutorial and the playlist. Remember to check us on Facebook for updates when videos get uploaded. Subscribe if you want to see more Godaddy hosting tutorials and other tutorials for other hosts as well. Check out us on Twitter and Facebook, and I'll see you around in the next video.